Okay, here to give you guys a quick update on how I fixed the outboard here. You saw the previous video where that was stuttering above my dash read 2000 RPMs. It might have been less than that. And I'll cut right to the chase. I always start with new boat to me, new engine. I always start by checking compression, make sure that's good before moving forward on anything else. Compression was good on all 6. So move forward. I found a great ignition system troubleshooting guide on CDI's website and just started walking through some of the easy things I could test on that. Literally just unplugging, unplug the rectifier and test it, see if that makes a difference to the problem. No difference. Unplug the starboard sensor, no difference. Unplug the port side sensor, and voila, that was it. Engine runs great. So I'll just explain a little bit quickly about this. So this is the new sensor in here. The old sensor had 2 wires coming out of it. The brown wire is your overheat alarm. Basically, when that heats up enough, it closes the contact in the sensor and it sends a signal to your alarm at your helm, and you know that your engine's overheating. And on this engine, it also kicks it into slow mode, shuts down half the cylinders, which is why I had the problem I had. The sensor was closed. I wasn't hearing an alarm. I found out my alarm's not working. That's another issue to fix. But yeah, so I was running on 3 cylinders. So that's what the brown wire does. And then there's also a white and black coming out of here that operates the quick start mode on this motor. So it adjusts the timing. When the engine's cold, it runs, I don't know, maybe higher idle, maybe a richer mix. I don't know. But anyway, so that was also closed. It was not working correctly on here. Parts guy, the guy at the parts store suggested I just get a sensor like the port side, a 1-wire sensor, because the ones online here, it's an obsolete part. And they want like $450, and I wasn't willing to do that. So he suggested I just ground out the white and the black. I lose that quick start function. I still have my alarm. Okay, sounds good. But I didn't want to lose the quick start, so I wired this all the way to the dashboard, and I have it up there grounded out to the battery on the other side of the switch. So I can turn the switch off and I can have the quick start, higher idle, whatever, correct mixture for that. And then once the engine's warmed up, I flip my switch off, it grounds this out. So I still have the feature, and that makes me happy. It runs great. So that's my fix for now. I still have to figure out why my alarm is not working. When I turn the key at the helm, it should make an audible beep to let me know that system's working properly. There's no beep. It could be as simple as the little device in the controller, so I'll have to take that apart next. But I got to spend the weekend out fishing and boating, and had a great time. So I'm happy I can use it, but I don't want to go on without fixing that because I don't want to blow up this motor. So that's how I fixed the problem. And if the boat and the motor is new to you, always make sure your alarms work. Okay, happy boating.